Hello and welcome to my Tuesday conference call. I'm Ted Keys, your top freight agent training expert here in Pasadena, California. And if you have any questions today after the call, any questions regardless of what it is, or specifically, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me a call, Ted Keys. I'm at 626-309-9141. Let's move on to attachment number 7, I believe it is. Attachment number 7 reads, remember, when you're calling your prospects and customers, as I said earlier about your attitude, don't be boring like the next guy. Don't be boring like every other freight sales agent there is out there. Be different. And I'll say it again, your attitude is a starting point. Don't be boring. Don't go into a call saying, well, this is Ted, gee, who am I with? Logistic Dynamics. Going with confidence, going with gusto, going with verve, going with some power into each and every call, because that's what's going to get attention. If you just go in sounding like every other freight sales agent that calls the marketplace, that calls the shipping decision maker that you're calling, you're gonna get hung up on. So don't be boring like the next guy. Be different. Sound different. When you do things differently and you sound differently, you'll get the required attention that you not only deserve, but also attention that's required for people to stay on the phone and you connecting with. Do you have any questions again? Do you have any questions about today's call? What I went over about motivation is so important. It's so important that you motivate yourself the correct way. Or more importantly, are you ready to join our top producing freight sales team? Then give me, Ted Keys, a call. I'm at 626-309-9141. Great topic for today, motivation. Take these skills, apply them. You'll be amazed at what happens to your results.